Oh my God. I don't like this at all.
What's happening? Oh my God! Oh my God!
Can you hear me wherever you are? I'm praying to angels and wishing on stars that we'll find each other no matter how far. 'Cause 5,000 miles is breaking my heart. Than just your voice on the other end of the telephone. Ooh, I hate goodbyes. I need your touch.
Luna Park, Coney Island, New York. All right, today we're at Luna Park. We're gonna give you a complete tour of all the rides in here. We're on one right now, the big wheel,
Wonder Wheel.
the Wonder Wheel, and it's scary. Oh my God, I think we're about ready to tilt again, aren't we?
No,
But-
but we're soon.
Make sure you check out Luna Park, and they have wristbands if you want to ride all day. Let's get this tour going. All right, here's the entrance, one of the entrances to Luna Park. We're going to show you all the rides in this place on this tour. Look at her. Welcome to Luna Park. There's the frozen drink stand. Oh man, this place is huge. I didn't expect all this today. All right, look at this ride right on the boardwalk. It is called Thunderbolt. Here it goes, Thunderbolt, coming right down at you. Oh my God! All right, this is part of Luna Park, but look at this. They got a rope course here called the Sky Chaser. Look at this thing. That sucker is high. This is called the Soaring Eagle. I don't know, maybe it's me, but this ride looks old. Look at this ride. You're laying down on this roller coaster. It looks like you're flying on this thing. There they go. Coming back at you here. Oh my goodness. That's an awesome ride for sure. Whoa! All right, look at this ride. It's called the Steeplechase. These people are on horses. There's the arcade. Come ride the Phoenix. Swinging on stationary Deno's Carousel. All right, here it is. The Steeplechase. This ride launches you. Watch how fast they come flying at you here. Watch there it goes. All right, this thing is called Zenobia. A huge, I don't know, pendulum-like ride, but I no way, no how. These people are all over the place. Oh, look at this ride for the kids. You ride in a fire truck and you squirt the house and put the fires out. I love this thing. This is a classic I've never seen in any amusement park. All right, here it is, the slingshot. It's about to go off. Say adios. No way. Here's the Phoenix roller coaster. Look at this ride. It's the world's largest Wonder Wheel at 150 feet and 200 tons. This, I think, is the big wheel, but watch these cars. They slide around on the inside of this thing. I've never seen anything like it in my life. Just see how the cars are sliding from one side to the other? It's called the Wonder Wheel. And you'll see these cars as you work your way in the middle, then they slide you back onto the outside. It is a unique ride here just at Coney Island. I'm not sure there's another one of these in the world. At least I never seen one. Oh, and they got bumper cars here in Coney Island's Luna Park. See what I mean about them cars just moving in and out of this Ferris wheel? Oh, what's this? It says, stop the zombies. I don't know what this is. Spookorama, look at this thing. This reminds me of that old type haunted house in Ocean City, Maryland. Oh, these kids are gonna have a blast. Spookorama. Here we go, honey. What's this called?
The Wonder Wheel.
The Wonder Wheel. I'll show you an outside video of this, but this thing swings inside the Ferris wheel and then out.
You might want to put your feet up.
Are you ready, honey?
No.
This thing's gonna start moving. Oh my God, if you could see what's in front of it. Oh shit!
That is so scary. Oh my God.
Close your eyes on this ride.
It's a pretty view. You can see everything.
Yeah, you gotta do this wheel, but I tell you, if you're not prepared, it's pretty scary.
Get the swivel car, not the stationary one.
See there, you can see the thing tilting.
Woo.
Oh my God, this is gonna be like we're going out. I'm scared now. Oh my God, I don't like this at all.
What's
Oh my God!
Oh my God!
Honey,
Oh my God!
this is the scariest
Yeah, I don't like
Ferris
this.
wheel I've ever been on.
Oh my God! Oh,
Oh,
who would have thought a Ferris wheel would be scary?
we got like 10 more of these, I think. That's the Phoenix roller coaster, that red and yellow roller coaster we just did. What a view up here. Here we go.
Oh my God! Oh! That's not as bad as when you're on the end.
We just got off Dino's Wonder Wheel, but look at all these eateries along here. All kinds of things. What's this? Oh man, fried Oreos. All right, there's the Thunderbolt. Look how fast this thing is moving. Oh yeah. Oh, and they got a lot of games here at Luna Park. All right, here we are inside Luna Park. Look, I'm going to do a quick 360 here, and you'll be able to see some of the rides. There's the miniature golf. There's the Phoenix, that one we showed you, and there's that big wheel, whatever it is. There's some airplanes for the little guys. That looks like fun, right? All right, this ride's called the Tickler. Look at this roller coaster. We showed you something similar in Six Flags America where these carts spin around. There it is, over there. One of the most famous roller coasters in America. It's called the Cyclone, and it's right here. Where are we at? Coney Island. This ride's the Atlantic Aviator. Wait till you see this thing. Look at this ride. I love this thing. It does some crazy stuff for sure. That is crazy. All right, look at this ride, the Electro Spin. Oh yeah, look at this. Electro Spin. Oh man, this ride is crazy. Wow. And that thing goes high too. I tell you one thing, this Luna Park has a lot more rides than I expected. You can spend all day here for sure. Drop the kids off and have a blast. This ride is called the Circus Coaster. Look at this thing. Oh man. Another roller coaster for the kids. Oh, and you gotta have bouncing boats at the beach, right? 4 rides for the kids. Here's the teacups. I guess that's what they're called here.
Just move, baby. Move any way you need. How do you do it, darling? You got me on my knees, on my feet. You can take me to the left, baby. Take me to the right. You can take me for the rest of my life.
Built in 1927. All right, here is the Cyclone roller coaster. It is famous in New York. And what's cool, this is kind of separate from everywhere all the other rides are. There goes the Cyclone. One of the most famous roller coasters in the world. Goes. That's called the Astro Tower. This says it's the Scream Zone. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's just one ride here, but look at the view. You see the roller coaster there? That's that Thunderbolt. Let's see what this is gonna do. It's called the Endeavor. All right, here it is, the Endeavor. Look at this thing. This is a single rider ride, but this thing will spin upside down. Look how fast this thing is going, and it's still going up. Oh my God. It is moving.